Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a simple program where we check the number of folders in a path. So first of all I'm going to create a subroutine and that's going to be called num folders. And we're going to print a message to the user saying enter path. The user will then enter a path. I'll just give them a little bit of a prompt here. This is in Windows, of course, and then we do the standard input, which starts off with chomp, the new line character, and to create a variable called folder path. And then I'm going to assign it to standard input, which will get the input from the user, so the user will type in the path. Once we've got the input, then what we do is we change into that directory, chdr, change directory, into the folder path. Okay. And then we create another variable called scalar num folders. We're going to assign that to grep, to search, and then we use this D here for directories, and then we use glob, and then we use the asterisk wildcard, and then what we do is we print out the results. So number folders in, and then we'll just do the scalar folder path, which will give us the directory path here, folder path R, and then we'll interpolate the number of folders into the string, and we'll finish off with a new line character. Okay, so what we're going to do is call it num folders, and we'll just save that there. We'll run the program. Let's make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to put the path to my documents, I think. Documents, yeah, so that's going to see users mark documents. Okay, let's hit enter, and there we go. Number of folders in C users documents are 11. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that program, and remember, if you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button below, give it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in another video. Bye bye.